But this is like a 25 or 30-year-old Harbor Freight miter saw. Actually, they do not make them like this anymore. Because I used to have our Harbor Freight one, but not this old. And I actually burnt that thing up. I used it building a deck, and it just couldn't. I mean, I've cut with this 10 times more in one sitting and over time, and yeah, it's just they don't make them like this anymore. The higher dollar ones probably last as long as something like this, but even then, it's kind of like, does it? Eventually, I'll probably buy a higher dollar miter saw, but not right now. All right, so basically that came right off. There's a little little keeper that you have to kind of bend the plastic to get it out of the way of the actual housing here. And it looks like it might be the same socket. Yeah, for the blade, to loosen the blade off. I don't know if there's a keyhole. There's not. I might need to put my gloves on. Try to break this baby loose. I don't know if it's left-handed or right-handed threads. But we are about to find out very carefully. So prop that like that. There we go. We're getting tighter. So it is left-handed threads. So I actually could put a screwdriver in here on that on the teeth on this underside here, and it kind of put it in a tooth, and it'll catch on this housing here where my finger's at, and that would allow me to just be able to torque down on my wrench, no problem.